Yeah, I had to go ahead and cover that squash, but at first glance, well, I'm not sure. It doesn't look real frosty. Yeah, we got frost. It got pretty cold last night, but I don't know if it actually frosted here in the garden. We'll see how these do when the sun comes up. Looks like the rainwater from the other day didn't freeze. In our area, it did frost last night, but I think it was kind of patchy. We definitely had ice on the car. Our squash made it through. Some of these leaves look like they're getting a little powdery mildew, but we've never had squash grow all the way into November. This is just amazing. We did pick most of it off last night. Some of them were kind of small, but we still have a couple coming on, and they're blooming. Looking at the rest of the garden, I think we made it through okay. It looks like we still got little flowers and we got little beans coming on. So what we picked, I think we're going to be in good shape. Even this okra we mulched around went ahead and bloomed this morning. That's wonderful. Not to put too fine a point on it, with the loofah, we've got another bloom. We're not going to get another loofah, but this is amazing. One thing I can say about this deep mulch, mixed mulch method is it moderates the temperature of the soil. You keep those roots warm, you're going to keep the plants a little warmer, even when you're right at that freezing stage. Next week though, they're saying we're going to get down to it, but we're going to ride this wave just as long as we can. You can do this too. And I hope my story has motivated you to try a mixed mulch, deep mulch method. It'll make your gardening so much easier, make the life in that soil so much better. The food will taste great, and I'll tell you, the hardest work you're ever going to do is harvest. I was out here well after dark picking peppers. Come by tomorrow. You know what that is. That's Saturday. And Saturday's when we celebrate you and what's going on in your garden. And we've got a couple friends that have got a really nice setup going on. Look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.